Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired August 18th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Attuning to the Immortal Self. Swami, your thoughts?
Convert the physical body into a mental image capable of receiving divine inspiration. Then present reason to revelation by letting divine mind exchange sense for soul.
Looking for the perfect self? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam